go real tight with the stop. I don't want you to have baby win.
Okay, it's time to take it. We have just closed. I don't love it, but I have to take it. That's the strategy. We just closed 30 points outside it. I let all of these slide, thinking of fake breakouts, because this one alone wasn't enough for me for some reason. I should have taken that, to be honest. But yeah, that like 10-ish, 12 was enough for me. And I waited for a real breakout. We got outside of this range and we cleared this high. To be fair, I could probably. Is that a supply zone really though? You know, this could be base and then drop. Yeah, these two, yeah. So we just closed outside of that base. If I was to do this. Yeah. 15's looking good. Alright, anyway. Personal account is still going on the JPY. Let's just leave it at that. I have to put that down. Let's leave it at that. And we shall be back soon. Right, so it does seem like the momentum has slowed and we were in a downtrend before the day started, which matters a bit less. You know, I know there's going to be some resistance there as well. What I'm going to do is, it's like a trailing stop. I know we're a little bit in profit a couple of times. We went up to $100 profit, I think. Let's just, yeah. More than that, we went up to like 150. So what I'm going to do is put this just under this demand right here. Just because that break of structure would, in my opinion, mean that we're going to range down here before we go up, if we go up. So if we're going to continue up after that, after this level here, it's going to be after we touch down here somewhere. So I'm going to give it, I'm still going to give it the space up here, but if it dips into the opening range again and breaks this structure, it's not really a demand zone, is it? But yeah, I just want to protect the account, man. It should run, you know. If it consolidates here for a while and then runs, that's perfectly okay as well. That happens. But I can't be hasty. And this is this a supply zone? 15 minutes. Not necessarily a supply zone, but I can see that there is supply, right? Don't know. Of course, we have to break this EMA as well, and those do matter. Those do matter. Everyone's looking at them. That's how much they matter. Just purely from the fact that everyone's looking at them, we have to give them a little bit of credit. It showed up it was in the video earlier, I think, but we're up. in the Japan trade. I could take this. This is a lot. This is almost 20%. I should take this, but heaven no, I didn't just risk all that to make this. Right? So we're gonna let it run. I believe the structure is still with us. You know, we haven't broken underneath yet, which is where I could have put the stop loss, which would make sense to put it there. And if it does start hanging around down there, I'm not above just closing it manually, you know. So we shall see. Let's see how that plays out. This, on the other hand, we are gonna wait for a move all day maybe today. But hey, I'll come back when something happens, and I'm gonna try not to stare at it too much. Let's see. Okay, so we got stopped out pretty quick. Yeah, and it's a big engulfing candle like that. Look at how we've been creeping up. This just didn't sit pretty with me, and then there was the moving average above, so I think that saved me some money. I mean, I lost like 300 and something, but it saved me some money. It could have been 1,000, could have gone all the way down there, which now I think it will. How sure am I? Am I sure enough to try to ride it down? Like market structure wise, if that's what's gonna happen, I could ride it down to there, but it's an unnecessary risk. This is a yeah, no, I don't know. Maybe I was premature with that. I don't want to randomly just write it down without having a real reason to buy in. And this structure doesn't really mean much to me because it was before any kind of volume came into the market. 4 or 5K, you know, it's not. And normally to get the 8K and then everything else doesn't crack 6. Boom, 1. Hardly. So it might be a flip day, but I'm not gonna trade it right into this either, so this was the Globex low. Let's just move this up. Oh, what is that? I'm gonna move this up to there. Globex size all the way up there. Yeah, so probably not gonna see a proper Globex trap anytime soon. 8 to 11. 8 to 11. Yeah, that 5 minutes definitely is. This 1 hour might be, but it's been seriously violated already. It's not, and it's been violated. So this 1 hour, I think we can safely get rid of. And the 5 minute, we can safely get rid of. Look at you, look at the price. Now this I like. 20 seconds, we're gonna try to get in this. It's a flip day. It's a flip day. Now this, is this a 5 minute demand zone? Five-minute deep, baby. Make it that. I don't love it. We've already penetrated it. Short position. Yeah, we've broken the range far enough. And yeah, I'm in. You on the other side. You way far down there. You on the other side, just in case, you know. Unfortunately, I don't think I can do. Can I do it? I'm not willing to do it. What? Why can't I do it? Five. It's gonna have to be 5 again. Boom. I don't love that. I could have been in there. I missed out on 17 points there. Do not love that. And I'm selling inside a demand zone. See the excitement? See what happens? Now we're gonna go against me, eh? Is that a good enough demand zone? See, I don't think so. It's one decisive handle, not necessarily an explosive, but it's definitely something, eh? Something happened at that price level. 15 also makes sense. Not really though. It's not clean. Flip day, just following the strategy. Don't want to move it. Sorry. We can have a pullback, and that's fine. We're not going to keep going back up, are we? That is a piss take. If we keep going back up, that is a piss take. Right, now it works. So OBS just crashed. I restarted and it's fine. So anyway, hopefully that doesn't become a recurring issue. This is happening. We're doing well. I have gone back and identified this, which is a legitimate fresh D. You know, sparkling fresh 5-minute D. So we can yeah, it's 5-minute D, but it deserves a little bit of respect. You know, it's not been used up. This here is a little bit of a, I'm not sure about this one. There's definitely demand there. I don't know if it's a textbook demand zone, just because like we've got a good leg in with the and the base. Fair enough. These are uncertainty candles. The leg out is where I have a problem. I don't know if you can call it explosive when it's not larger than the range of this base candle. It's definitely decisive compared. Well, yeah, it's not just relatively decisive. It is decisive. It's less than like 20% of the total size of the total size of the candle is wick. So I think you can call that. This is obviously one, but it's not fresh. So this big zone here, I'm a little bit iffy about, but this zone, I am confident that's a real zone. Now, what that means is we've got 50 bars there with 5 contracts. That's $1,000, isn't it? No, that's $100. That's $500. That's $500, and we're gonna start aggressively trailing at $500 at that level, because we probably will get some kind of a knockback from it, which, I mean, with this kind of structure and this kind of volume still, what time is it? Volume's going to start to slow here in a bit. 35k in 5 minutes. We had a big infusion of volume this last hour, right? Not even the last 20 minutes. So that's the regular like 10 to 11. This is unusually big. Don't know what to make of that. I mean, if we come down in any kind of like a standardized fashion, or what's the word? If we come down gradually and don't just fall off a cliff and start to consolidate around this area, then we can still expect some movements down. But regardless, here we're gonna have a bit of a push back. If that happens soon, then I can see a world where that's just a little bit of a retrace, and then we start going back down, or that might just be happening right now, you know. This like 2 points. Okay, no, it's 8 points. It doesn't matter. So yeah, we might actually hit this again and then come back again. You know, get lower, touch this, and then come back, and then go down. So if that happens in the next 30 minutes or so, then I'm more likely to want to let it run with my stop loss all the way up there. Maybe I'll bring it down here, or we're too close. We're too close for me to protect it by taking it to break even. It wouldn't make sense, because it will touch that, in my opinion, before we go back down. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with that. Once we get to 500, I'm gonna trail aggressively. Oh, no wick. That makes me nervous. Anyway, when something happens, how's Japan doing? It's okay. Alright, I'm seriously considering protecting these profits. We've lost a lot of momentum here after these massive candles out of nowhere. Don't really understand. We still have more volume than usual. Yeah, 15 to 20k. We still have high volume-ish. So maybe I should just let it go and relax. But I don't like that we're ranging just outside of the range. We've broken out of it much further than before. We're running into a lot of resistance here. Or support here, right? Should I be patient, wait? Should I aggressively trail, or should I at least just bring it to break even? Is we collecting these sell orders like people? Then it flies down. Maybe collecting the buys, making people think. I mean, it's not like micromanaged at that level unless it's a huge move, right? This is looking good. We're not even halfway. We've got a big wick here. We may continue all the way down, or candles form the way they form. You might just struggle with the same range and stay around here. But no, look, we touched 400. No, 400 was about there. We're ranging, man. I don't love it. I'm getting impatient. Like it happens. It happens. Still haven't made a lower low than this. This just structurally is making me nervous. It's like we had this push, and we didn't go as far down. Now we might start going further up. See, look how different it looks. At 3 minutes 20, I was thinking, this is a great formation, not even halfway in, blue, 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 blue. Oh, this is it. I think I should get out of this. This is a big one. Still a minute left though. This could just be a big wick by the end of this. So we're gonna wait. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I can silently watch this, or I want to. I want to get the video up, but I have to watch a little. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's get the videos up. Yeah, I just started recording because I was about to start trailing pretty aggressively, and now this is making me think I should have, just because we have a break in structure, just a slight, like 1 point break in structure. So I don't know. It might just be a little pit stop, and then we fly back down. Let's see. We're not gonna move the stop loss just yet. We're gonna watch. It's about 400. No, this is 500, right? Yeah. Sticking to the original plan. Once it hits 500, I will chase aggressively. Oh no, that's not a good stop. If we break this, then I'm in trouble. I could move it up here. I wouldn't be against that. Just because if we break this, then it looks like we've turned around, right? Anyway, let's see. Okay, this is looking good. What I can do at least is bring it up here, because if we break structure that badly, I think we're done. And I think in this, I thought in this candle we're gonna hit the 5-minute demand. At least we made a lower low. But if we hit this 5-minute D, I shall get right up in there, get real close while it's hitting the D. So yeah, just let's. I mean, at least I caught that on camera, and that's all that matters right now. I can stop recording now. But will I? I will. Should I? I should. You know what? I am strongly considering adding a big amount to this position, because I'm meant to be risking about 1200 every trade, right? So if I've been a scaredy cat and brought this up to protect my losses, which is what, 130-ish? No. It is to there. It's about 330, right? 340. So I have like 870 to go, and if I put in loads of and I believe this, if we break this structure, then we might be in free fall. So actually, this is the shelf to break, right? This, I think we're in a good place with that. And if we're just ranging, I might make a lot of money from just this. If we're not ranging, hey ho, we lost what we were supposed to. Yeah. I have convinced myself I might regret this, but I have convinced myself. The target, we still have it down there. Whatever it is, even if it's there. This, it's very, very tight, so I can go big. It's only 20. Yeah, you see? Adding more risk to a ranging market. Ugh. I'm only supposed to add when the supply and demand tells me to, right? Okay, we're created, and now we're going down, yeah? Okay, I believe the range is gonna keep going. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I did it. It's no good. It's no good, mate. Oh, I should have been just up there, right? Doesn't matter. Stop it. Now 34 and 10. No. 34 plus 10, 44 times the pointage, right? Don't become the new. No! If this becomes the new structure, I'm grizzled. Still got a minute, but if it's respecting this, I am not happy. You can't respect this low. If that becomes a low, I'm screwed. At least come down to here, give me some money. But I passed the challenge where, so 44 times 10, 440, 80, 1320. Let's just do this. How much do I need from here? 2486, yeah? 2485. 60. need 56 points to win. Which is just about there. If I'm right, I pass the challenge. If I'm right about this ranging business, I pass the challenge. This is not the greatest beginning. Because it respected this, you know. But that happens. That doesn't mean much. Look, boom. Looks like a new thing was being created. It respected this, but then the next one, it didn't. So, yeah, each candle stuff doesn't matter as much. This, however, matters a lot. That looks bullish AF. This looks very bullish. In the 15-minute chart. Come on. I just need 50 points. And I'm out of your hair. Stop trading like this forever. Okay. I think it's time to start trailing. The range is still back there. 1,000. That's it. Should I close or no? Yeah. Let's get out of this. How did it only just bring me above where I was at? Can't believe it. Hey, I might do it again. The structure's really looking up now, mate. It's really looking bullish. It's really looking rangy still. Let's get out of this so we're not. Let's just get out of that. That was 7. Now let's look at it with fresh consideration, yeah? What's more likely? I'm still bearish. Look at it on the 15. I'm still bearish. So what? There's a big wick. Yeah. It's giving us a strong consolidation zone. I can put it there. I'll be happy with that. And if this doesn't break, it's looking good. It's looking good, bruv. Create enough of a wick for us to go down. 30 is my maximum, right? You ready? You ready? We're gonna pass this challenge right now. $30, give it to me. Ah. $27, give it to me. I can't take less than 5 points according to the rules. I mean, on paper, I would not be condoning this kind of behavior. This is not it. This is not how I want to be trading. But I need to pass this challenge, and I'm getting impatient. And with, the structure is given. It's given bare. So if who knows, maybe this becomes a prop challenge strategy alone. So once I'm funded, I honestly just want an hour or two a week. And that will give me so much freedom. Low risk hour or two a week will give me so much freedom. This greed will be all but gone. And as you can see, with my I'm like convincing myself it's okay. With my personal account, that greed isn't really there. I just want this to be over with. Just give me the 50k. Yeah, so I did find out I can definitely have another evaluation going with copy trader. I have to now decide what the best copy trader is. I'm gonna YouTube and ask AI and stuff. And easy, quick, and even the chat, the MFF chat, to see if they're okay with whatever option is presented, like whatever I come up with. I'm sure it's not a big decision, but has to be done today. I have to catch up on there's only 2 videos to catch up on. I have to catch up on that and really standardize that. After every trading day, it should be up. It should be up as early as possible as I can make it. Let's have some methylene blue. Try some turmeric. And lion's mane, which honestly should have been done with this hours ago. My ADD just reminded me of something else. I have to quickly add on to my Amazon order before I forget it. That's it. That's it. Wait, 600? Oh, okay. Okay, it's running. If it gets to around, it's not even there. It's gonna be. Okay, look. Okay, look, man. From here. Divided by 54. Just 38. I'm halfway there. It's just 38.62. A little bit past this. What? That might have been the range. I should have taken it. Oh no, that might have been the new range. I should have taken it. Instead of setting this. I think I'm gonna do it. As soon as it goes back in my direction, I'm more confident again. Yeah, look, the range is kind of shrinking. It looks like I've got a minute still, so maybe that's not true. That seems pretty steady. This one is shrinking. So it's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good, bruv. Because, I don't know, these trend lines do mean something. It broke that, and now we're going that way. It looks like we're rounding out. That is looking steady, which is good for now that we're obviously it's good for now that we're not getting deeper and deeper into drawdown, but it's also bad that they're not coming up. They should be coming up instead, like this region here. That looks a lot more bearish than now this. This looks bullish. This is starting to look bullish. 15 minutes is gonna scare me. Still 10 minutes to go on this one. That's it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna follow this. That I don't love. If we break past this, we shall hit... Create that wick. We already traded here. That's all. We don't need to trade up there anymore. People, please. Go on, that's it. That's it. That's it. Nice. Cool, cool. We've protected a lot. We might go all the way. We might go all the way. No. A little bit more. Give me more. Yeah, position test still hasn't ever. This is the biggest order I've ever put in. Actually, the personal account is a bit bigger. 1,500 it was. I'm happy. I'm happy. It closes around 1,000. I'm happy, and I think that is 1,000. Let's break this high. Yes. Let's break this high. Yes. Now we're gonna retest this high. We're gonna retest this high. It's alright. Keep going? No. I'll take it. I'll take it. 700 to go. Ugh. Smothered it a bit, you know. It's a big candle. It's a big candle. It's a big engulfing candle. I just want to knock it out, man. I want it now. Some good trailing. Let's get that meth. Let's get that meth in me. What am I still recording for? That's it. I think I'll call it a day for today. Okay, I felt good, but I cannot. This can't be my relationship to trading. This is to pass a challenge. The ultimate, even blowing the account, double that risk, was actually just a risk of the £90 that I put into this, right? £87 or whatever it was. Once I'm funded, that's a different story. Then I'm risking months plus 90 something pound, potentially a couple of months plus the 90 something pound. On the first challenge I spent 17 days, not all trading days, but I think it was between 17, I think it was about 17 days of this being a primary focus in my life, and with nothing to show for it. So, future me, do not become attached or enamored by this kind of approach. You don't need maximum anything. No maximum position sizes, no maximum risks. It makes sense to do it now with this fake nothing money, just so I can start earning money quickly. Then we're gonna be targeting 1 hour. We're gonna be targeting 1% every single time. And even if max drawdown stays the same, I might even make that more conservative. I might do 1% of max drawdown, just to keep that funding, just to keep moving. Yeah. So do not, future self, do not keep doing this. I can potentially keep doing this with these evaluations. Once I'm funded, if I do that, I could, if I enter a position, I could enter the same position with a much closer stop loss and a much larger position size simultaneously on an evaluation, and see how that works, So yeah, I think I'm good for today. That's it. Unless I see something, I'll come back. Okay, just wanted to get this on this video. I've put no, I don't know, man. I put this profit target up just in case we fly while I'm asleep. I do want to chase. I will trail if it happens. I mean, just that could be it, right? Just that is 1500. Look, just up here, 1600. See? So just this local high that we're likely gonna hit. So I could just use that, significantly increase my my personal account with that's got to be like an 80%, right? That's a triple A. Let's say double A. Let's say it didn't respect this trend line. Broke through this trend line with some force. Now we are laughing. Let's look at it on TradingView. So we got 4 hours. 4 hours 23 minutes to go. Seems like it might even creep up a little bit more. Making this engulfing would be fantabulous. And yeah, so there is a slowing of momentum. So maybe not a AAA. There's definitely a slowing of momentum to the upside, because then we had these three big-ish candles in a row. We're trying to catch a reversal here, basically. So if we're trying to catch a reversal and not just this, right? So if we were trying to just capitalize on a retracement, this would be it. It would be a little bit lower than this. But we are banking on a reversal because we've got big brother, little brother, D's crossing. So big brother, little brother right there. We've had a strong bounce off, you know. So far, we'll see where this is at in 4 hours, of course. But a strong bounce off. And we've got this 4 hour D underneath for more protection. And there is news. When? Really? Oh, I don't even know that. Okay, that might be some great news. There might be some terrible news. Okay, so yeah, if this is a retracement, then my target would be about there instead, or even there. So let's see how much that would be. It definitely wouldn't be worth it. It'd be there. Look at that. That's pathetic. $855 is not pathetic at all. But I wouldn't take that trade. That wouldn't have been the trade. This would be the retracement level if I wanted. Possibly like 1,000 here, I think. Yeah, that's good. That's all right. But this is the actual conservative profit target. I think this is where they might be. This is where Skoropinski and the gang might be. And this high is strong. Yeah. So if this is actually a turnaround, it might bounce down from here a little bit and then keep going up. Or this might be the first level to give it some resistance, but if it's a turnaround, then we're gonna go past this as well. I believe. I mean, these are days as well. Look at you. Let's look at 4 hours. Let's go back to TradingView. Let's look at 4 hours. Yeah, we're coming off it. I mean, all of that still applies. It is this that I'm aiming for, right? Or is it this? This would be a good spot, because look at all the supply up here. 148,099.99. No, it is. That is not. I did go right above that. I mean, this is the level that I saw on TradingView. Oh, this is okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely low supply here. This makes sense. 2,600, which is plenty. it's like in my sleep, I want it to be up here. I'll make do with that. Okay, anyway. Let's quickly look at... Alright. This is exciting. There's 2.5 minutes left, and that's a real move. That's a real move. This is three consecutive bullish candles. If it closes looking anything like this inside our range, our opening range, this is a reversal. It's the beginning of the bull trend, at least short term. But if it starts to do something like that, then we're going to continue with our ranging. We're just getting a little bit, we're creeping up higher and higher in higher highs within this range. The range has bias, but it's a range. It's a channel. This is disgusting. I mean, it's not really a strong taste, but it's kind of bitter. The methylene blue. I mean, I put it in black coffee, so that's not helping. It's also too late to be drinking this coffee. I had to get done with the coffees way earlier. Because last night I could not sleep. And I got stuck watching Castillo. Moving mad, bruv. Moving mad. He's hilarious. It's not just the catchphrase, it's the timing. He might be the funniest man in the world to me right now. What are we doing here? B? This could be a good sell. I see the rejection. We got 20 seconds. The Globex low means nothing. We've broken that structure. I don't really have a good reason to... No, I can't. Big engulfing 15 minute. Yeah, this is a reversal. This looks good. I'm so tempted. I'm not gonna just take it unless I have a good technical reason to take it. Then I can take it. Anyways, so there we are. I'm gonna leave that there for now. I'm not forgetting about this. This is gonna remain open now forever until this trade is closed, and I'll keep coming back to it. Keep looking at it, and once we get closer, I'll keep moving this up and potentially trailing, moving that in behind it. Let's see. No, it's a good move. It's a good move. Okay, enough. Okay, so I've gone over this a couple of times in my head. Obviously, at this point, after a win like that, it's very suspicious that I'm getting into overtrading territory. But just look at this. This was our range. We had an engulfing bullish candle, and then we had another decisive bullish candle close in the 15-minute time frame. And of course, we formed this 5-minute demand zone just underneath. I don't like to try to call, especially trading within the 5-minute demand zone. I don't like to be calling reversals, right? So calling this reversal might be a terrible idea, because definitely we have been in a downtrend in the offer hours and all of the trading hours today. This is a range and downtrend all day before as well. So I think if I think I can justify getting in if I bounce off of this. If the price bounces off of this. So now look, this 5 minute is momentum is slowed. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens at this demand zone, because this, of course, after a move like that, let's do it from the bottom here. After a move like that, 190, 127 is what? Like, at least 2/3. Yeah, it's about almost exactly 2/3. So that's a great pullback. That's might be in the golden, in the Fibonacci golden range. The golden mean, the 0.618, might be exactly there actually. Making me think we've broken structure and we're about to fly off the other way. Let's see, 30 minute. That looks like a 30 minute demand zone as well, actually. It does, doesn't it? It is one. Okay, I'm 700 away, man. I need to be more careful. Let me make this orange. Was it orange? What's my 30 minute color? Orange is fine. Not quite a 1 hour demand, just because this is not a decisive candle. Of course, I've moved up quite a bit from down here. Well, there's a big wick, so within that 1 hour, we came down quite a bit and then we went up double the amount. So not decisive enough to be a leg out. Yeah, so now I'm really considering it. I was about to buy in with a really short. I was gonna put it behind this most likely, but the really short stop loss and a huge position size, so I could quickly just get that 700 out of the way. But we're not gonna do that, because that could also mean quickly losing $1,000, right? So let's be careful here. We can take this in this direction if we reject off of this. If we start going through it, on the other hand, am I going to take the other way? Don't know. This was an established enough range that I had seen 2-3 times and I called it, but now we are in unmapped territory, however people say that. Now that structure has broken. It did not respect this shelf either. We're in the middle of this big rally down, so we might even go and test these levels here before we come down. Once we broke this, I did think that we're going to hit the top of this. That would have been a good time, but that was wasn't based on enough, because we've got this range, we've got this channel going this way anyway, in a tiny little, what is it, 5-point break. Yeah, a little 5-point break of that is not enough justification for me to now flip direction and buy. So I would have waited for this anyway. And it's not like this is a major, I don't know how to treat the opening range levels after the actual open. After the actual move out of them a couple of times. Now that it's back in it, does that mean it has to touch back there? That's an interesting question to backtest. I don't know, how easy is it to like draw horizontal lines within the backtest code and then test those? And trend lines even. Can you just tell it to connect the low lows, or I really have to put some time into that. I want to be data driven. These two strategies so far is the most amount of data I've seen. But I haven't sat there and learned how to code backtesting and done it like that. The replay function is limited. I don't think you can really extrapolate too much. I mean, you can find a winning strategy, but to find a high strike rate strategy, you've got to really test it within your time frame using Pine Editor. And I can't see why you couldn't test like opening ranges. I can see why it would be hard to code in a demand zone the way that we draw it, defining. I mean, AI would be able to help me try to write that code, but you would define what a leg in is and what a base is and what a leg out is in multiple different cases. Then you would have to give it a range of like how big does it have to be, and then there has to be another like object, or I don't know the jargon, but then there has to be another like definition of like relative strength or relative size of the legs to the base and to the rest of price action. It's only a leg if it's significantly bigger, right? And what does it significantly bigger mean? Does it mean engulfing? Because that's engulfing. Does it mean at least double the size? You'd have to define hard parameters, and then actually thought it through a little bit. I think you could do that. I don't see why not. Yeah, so really got to give backtesting a real shot and test my like hybrid strategy and test the potential, like the things that I want to do that I don't do for the most part, like calling a range, trying to buy on either side of the range, trading market structure. Yeah, we need to see these win rates. Anyway, it doesn't look like we're going to have to come back down to this. I can't. It looks like it's going to go up and hit that as I thought, but I can't just do it. I'm going to have to come down and touch it. Yeah. Cool. Okay, with the closing of that last candle, we have created another demand zone. And it's time, I think, to buy. But I need to see the end of it. Yeah, come on. Do I need to see the end of this? 3.5 minutes left. It can definitely change in character a lot. I have learned this lesson, so I'm not going to put it in now. I'll be back in 5 minutes or so. I might need to see the next. I might need 7 minutes. I might need to see the next candle be positive, and then I can buy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Calm down. Right, so this one was completely disrespected, violated all the way through. And up here, I would like to see this as a green candle as well, but now that we bounced off of this not coming down here, I think is already a pretty good sign. I really want to buy, man. I really want to buy. I want to get this done right now. That's my bias. That's my truth. Yeah, look, it's looking good. It's looking good, bruv. 50. Here I can really go hard and wait for a little pump. Just a little pump. Let's at least go under there. Let's not get crazy, eh? Under the 30-minute, the actual trade to take is under the 30-minute D. That's the real trade to take. Right, this is what we're taking. We've not decided just yet. We are just looking, just flirting. $24 times the points. This will do it. This will do it. This will do it quicker. This will do it quicker. I think we're gonna test it again now, right? It's a real struggle, eh? Real struggle not to jump back into the market. It looks like a retracement now, perfectly. It kind of broke structure here and continued down, you know, went all the way up to there. And yeah. It's not looking good, bruv. Come on. I'm gonna have to wait. It's coming back down to 5-minute D, and we will have to see how that plays out. Looks like we're definitely going to touch this I don't know when my entry is going to be now, because we've had the rejection. We didn't have the green candle after that, which would have made it easier, to be honest. But after this rejection, we could do it, or it will go right through. The 30-minute will make it easier, but once it starts getting deep like that, then, like, why am I so convinced this is a reversal anyway, right? Then it could continue down. This could have been the big retracement, and now we continue down. So, no, I'm not gonna do it. Don't think I'm gonna do it. My balls. Let's see, I'll be back. I am continuing to be tested in between texting. Just keep looking back. I saw this and then I'm like, oh, maybe right now. But nope. This thing flew through the 30-minute demand zone, or at least the beginning of it, to this 5-minute. Now here, I was like, maybe I can catch this pullback, and I'm very close to pressing it. Oof, relax, mate. Relax, we're halfway down it already. There's no point. The trend is bearish, clearly bearish. I'm gonna go and break these lows now as well, it looks like. On this pullback, now this is what I'm going to try to do. So the 30-minute can be safely deleted. So can this 5-minute from now on. In 30 seconds it will be, pretty sure. Yeah, this is the 5-minute demand. Okay, now new plan. If I'm gonna do it at all, it's about to be 2 as well, man. Come on. If I'm gonna do it at all, I'm gonna do it coming off of this 5-minute supply zone. See, 1 minute is where I should be doing this type of dumb shit. No, that's still not a supply zone. Cool, let's see how long it takes for me to want to sell again. Okay, that didn't take long. Now this I have to take, right? Once this closes, of course, I started recording, getting real trigger happy, trying to take this. This is a major benefit of recording. I can shame myself that I'll see this later and be like, who are you? What's wrong with you? So, yeah. If this closes like this, I'm not opposed to taking it at all. And that spiked up in like a couple of ticks. Instantly got slammed back down. So it's looking good, bruv. I think I'll do it. But 2 minutes, I'm not just gonna stare for 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, that's a big enough rejection, right? I can do this. Oh, I should have been ready. No. What is it down here for 1-to-1? I'm gonna wait for it to go back down or what? 7. Ah, shit. I'm gonna wait for a pullback within this candle. It's too much. 7. Damn it. Missed it. I missed it, I think. You can obviously get the fuck out of here. And look, it's so overextended now, man. I don't think I should have taken this. 700, let's start moving it already. I am not messing around. Nice, let's go. Almost there. Okay, that's a wick. Let's go. I'm basically trying to close it now. I got unlucky at the same time, but oh, we're about to do it. Let's hit it. $700. Come on. I need 695. No. Ooh, now it becomes that much more tempting. I'm $293.86 away from winning this challenge. Oh my word.
See a magic trick. It's feeding time. Today we have an Italian pasta covered in a creamy American cheese reduction sauce. These all 10 fun animal shapes, you donut. For our next attempt, we have an oven-roasted, lightly breaded chicken nugget. A dinosaur. Beautiful. Disgusting. I'm sorry, Chef. Yes, Chef. I'm sorry. I needed a dance break. Great move, Chef. Da-da dance. Da-da dance. Yes, Chef. I said dance. Do my favorite move, you donut. Not that one. I don't know what you want, Chef. No. Contract. That's the one. Stop. Yes, Chef. It's this stupid thing. Next, we have a yogurt all the way from Greece of the vanilla variety. Enjoy, Chef. No, well, it's not soup, Chef. It's ice cold yogurt. God! No! Harder! I don't want it. Oh my God! You know what? Here. You've done it. This is the greatest thing I've ever put in my mouth. But I see a wrapper. You did not let me open it. No, please. It's feeding time.
Oh shit, I'm still recording. What did I do? Did I get a message? I was like blacked out in the middle of that. And then started looking at this again. So yeah, now I was just about to start recording again anyway. So now I definitely want to get back in. This can safely go. You can also go. Yeah, these things don't need to be here. That supply really worked out for me. Now, this is of course another supply zone. I can extend it to this, or this becomes the shelf. $294, baby. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We broke past that. This might be the region. Let's just get ready, because we can do it right now. Right now. 150. Now that's excessive, right? It's just too far. What can I do? I just needed to move down. Still 3 minutes left, but it is moving in the right direction. Yeah, it's just so far away, man. So 6 times what? I only need 2 times. So I only need 1 contract of this kind of movement to get it. Yeah, but it'll be there. $300 divided by 6. It's just 50, right? Yeah. 50. It'll be there. We can do this. We can do this now. I really should wait until the end of this candle. But we can do this now. But we can do this now. How about now? Still 90 seconds left. Usa. It's okay. So what's this reason I've come up with to take this? Is that we got rejected from that low there. Has nothing to do with my strategy. Has nothing to do with my technical analysis. My analysis would put it up here. It needs to touch this for me to go down. Getting in a gambling mood, man. Getting in a gambling mood. It's just this. It's the massive momentum here. It's the massive momentum. Okay, I'm in. It's the massive amount of momentum here that I can't see an immediate pullback like that, you know? And that's enough protection that if we do see a big wick up, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. So now, Let's put this here. Whoa. Let's put that there, and we go about 50. Because guess what? 50 times 6 is 300. That's where we need to be. That's all we need. And this is a high percentage move. After a move like that, this is high percentage. But I can also see it the other way. We can do this. Come on. Come on, simulation. I'm your guy. I'm the one. Or I'm not the one. I'm Agent Smith. Just do this for me. This isn't a great decision, man. But I see massive momentum to the downside. I want to get back in for a very small move. Oh my word. We might do it. Now this low needs to be defeated, which it was. Teeny tiny bit. Within this 5 minutes, we're going to hit this. Yeah, look. We create a lower low. So maybe not in this 5 minutes, but I'm sure in the next few, right? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. All the way back. Got plenty of protection. I should, within my rights, I should be here. Yeah, big wick is not good, but the structure's working. We went and created a lower low, which does matter. It is the next candle. Oh no! Oh, don't do this. Ugh, come on. took the 1-to-1, I would be gone. Good. I knew there was a good chance of a retracement. I was hoping that was it, just so I could capitalize quickly. But as you can see, I'm very much prepared for a deeper one. And if this is as deep as it goes, it's about 50% of this move, maybe 60%. It might actually be 60.18%, right? That's what it is, 0.618. 61.8%, yeah. I want to see now. Yeah. Close, it's about 70%. Come on, son. I want it so bad. I'm thinking crazy stuff, you know. I'm thinking moving this closer once I'm sure it's gonna keep going, and adding just so I could hit it quicker. Yeah, that's a doable thing, but I just don't know how much further this is gonna go, you know. If you measure from here, it's only about 40% in. If you measure the move from here, which you can, why not? The move is actually this. So let's do this. The move, we've gone 87 points out of 245 points. It's only 35%. It's 35%. We've gone 35% up in this move, and it's still within the 15-minute candle. I believe we should be okay still. I'm not gonna just reverse out of the blue right after. This is a high percentage trade that I've taken, so I'm tolerating really bad risk to reward. Just because I just need that 300, man. Oh, no. I mean, it can go to even here. I did predict that this is going to be the real movement, but let's make this the high. Let's make this the high. Struggle. Let's all start selling here. Struggle. When Nasdaq goes down, the dollar I can see it both ways. The dollar would go. I should think about it the other way around. When the dollar goes down, Nasdaq should go up. Right? When money is out there cheaper, I don't know. With the interest rates, it makes sense to me. If it's harder to borrow, there's less money out there to invest in things. But if the money itself is going down, you'd want to invest in things to protect your money from the inflation, right? Oh God, now I'm scared. Now I am scared. Now this was it. This 5-minute demand was the catalyst of the flipperoonie. I did sell inside a demand zone once again. I kind of deserved the loss. Stupid impatience, and it's okay. Look, this level means a lot, and so does this. This becomes a 5-minute demand zone. Let's look at 15 minutes. Not really. 30 minutes. That's a 30-minute demand zone there. Yeah, why not? Let's mark it. This is a 30-minute supply zone dummy. I mean, I don't know if it is. This goes as high as the leg does. I don't know if that matters, you know. It's definitely a shelf according to Mike and them, but actually, yeah, why wouldn't it? I don't know. It's the legging is considerably larger than the others, more than double. Considerably larger than the base candles, but not the range of this base candle. So I'm thinking this whole thing is a supply zone. I'm conscious ignore this. Thinking this whole thing is a supply zone. If anything, we can pull it back there. Shit. Come on. Shit. Oh shit, I seen it. I seen the number. And we're in. And we're inside the supply zone, and we're getting rejected off it. Come on. Oh my god. Now we're in the preferred supply zone. Okay, that's it, right? Surely that's it. Starting another leg up. I can quit right now, but I'm not gonna. I'm in this trade now. I'm in. Let's see. That's where I decided the invalidation was, behind that 5-minute supply. And we're gonna stick by it. Ugh, that hurts though. Every time this green candle grows, it hurts my feelings. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Big push down. Yeah. Big push down. And it's back up. Big push down. Come on, 700. Ugh. I'm about to hit 700. It's not looking good from any angle now, is it? It's still just a retracement. I can still see us continuing down according to the technicals. But also according to the technicals, we turned around with lower volume than this, turned around with smaller green candles than this. Now we have a big engulfing green candle, higher volume in that direction. And the higher volume is also, of course, because of the selling going on to keep this thing under control. But suddenly, big buying is happening. That's enough. We don't need to create more of a wick. That's enough. Like five candles, that's enough. Alright, it's 25 minutes of this, yeah? That's enough. Okay, it's easy. It's easy. Yeah, you think this is helping? I think this might be helping. Just massaging it down. Massaging it so it gets longer. Yeah. Just guiding it in. Just guiding it into this zone. Guiding it into the zone. Okay. We got this. I want some nuts. Oh my god, 750. $800. I mean, how deep can this retracement go? It's just turned around on me. We had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 45 minutes straight of going up. We had before. Yeah, 3 straight candles. This one is big, man. It's too big. I don't like it. Hurts. Now it's about to penetrate my zone. This is what now? 177 out of 248. It's way more than 50%. This is what I needed. Exactly. If this can close as an uncertain candle, it looks like we're going back down. Get a bigger wick on this 15. There's a whole minute left and it's slowed. That's what scares me. It's slowed. Okay, I'll come back. I'll stop squirming. I'll come back and we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. I'm celebrating into 600 loss. Look at how the tables have turned today. How the turntables do the flipping. I'm just gonna go green again. It's just gonna hang out here. But this is a good sign. This is a good sign. This flipping momentum. Let's go. I'm gonna call it a flip. Let's go. Okay. We're finally moving in the right direction. Of course, in hindsight, I should have just waited for this retest, but I didn't want to miss that move. I got impatient. And I sold. Is that it? 7-1 to what? 31 points. Could have just held on here. That would have been it too. Just impatience is the theme here. Now this I don't love. This I don't love. That's it. That's it. So now I was considering it earlier, but I guess I could just about move it there. Not much further according to the chart, but now I could probably move it here. Add to this order so the average price comes up here. And I need less movement. But on that little uptick, I mean, no, it still wouldn't be that much. It'd be more than that. I mean, Don't do this, man. Don't become like the new. This looks like a bottom right now to me, because I'm scared. But this is a very steep fall down. We had this, not even close to this kind of a retracement. But this could be considered the retracement to that. And that is about the same. Yeah. And now we're going down again. But if we do this, to go deeper, it doesn't make sense. We've gone deep enough. So, see it both ways. It's not looking good or bad, bro. Nuts. Alright, once again, I'll be back. This is going to be a long one. Okay. I think I have a plan. Oh. I'm going to put it just there. It's a very risky plan. You don't need much at all, but oh my god, I can't do the plan. I mean, thank god I didn't do the plan. Thank goodness. Come on, man. Don't do this. Shit. Well, this is clearly a change in it's a change in structure, change in character. God damn it, I've missed it again. I missed it. If I'm gonna do this dumb shit. That was the pullback. This 5 minute is gone. This 30 minute is solid, makes sense. There's got to be some kind of a pullback to this, right? I don't think I should have did that. Oh, I think this is a horrible move. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I need even less than this. Why did you do that? Oh, this better be it. I need 1400 now. Why are you still in this? Just live to fight another day, mate. This is madness. Don't understand it. Very bad. Irrational behavior. I'm going to follow this profit really closely. We can get rid of that. This better be a big pullback. I mean, this is where I expect it to go. Was that 70? What was that? What was that? I don't know. I'm not happy with that nonsense there. That was not good. What? Oh, there's like slippage as well, isn't it? Look. It's so close. What was it, like 2 points? No. That's not allowed. It's like $30-something. That's very bad. That was it.
Pasta covered in a creamy American cheese. If you place your baby octopus under a UV blacklight, nothing happens. But if you place your scorpion under a UV blacklight, something very unusual happens. Ultraviolet light hits the scorpion's exoskeleton, is absorbed, and then released back into the world at a different wavelength that we can see. It's kind of like how squirrel skulls, compared to other animals, glow pink under a UV blacklight. There's one big difference. Notice how the light released by the scorpion has an even longer wavelength than the light released by the squirrel. That means instead of glowing pink, like a squirrel skull, it will glow a different color. Green. Again, for reference, here's what an octopus looks like. And here's what a scorpion looks like. It's green. If you place your baby octopus under a UV black, you got 24 hours, Agent 6. Don't get yourself killed. It's a job. I think I've warned you. Come with it. I'm a global country superstar who's lost his mind. I'm a global country superstar who's lost his mojo. So he's like to get out of space, live in a poor town, making sure that people start his condoms so they can put into his songs. A mother died in 9/11. I like that. Get the star of bitch a trip. Marjorie Coffee and just a splash of milk. Can you just remake this? Let's go. Professional barista, I don't know fucking splash this. appreciate your custom.
Yo, you can't be doing what you don't represent jewels.
I know it's been clear with head office. With Jan Moby. Honestly, if you go and look, I've been watching here. Welcome to the store. You look beautiful. I love your colour scheme. It's floral and vibrant. Do you need to have your hood? I'll do your hood for you, of course I will. I don't want to cover too much this wonderful colour scheme then. Oh, you want it down? Oh, I've got you. There we go, it's down. Thank you so much.
This is a big man. He wouldn't know.
He is a big man. I can tell by his calmness.
He's calm. No, not calm.
I appreciate your patience, your calmness, and your poise. I can tell you're a good boy. You prefer to lift your employees up as opposed to beat them down with the tiny sticks. Of course, I knew that about you.
Jordan Hall?
Yes.
H-A-W-K?
Yes, E. As in cook-off.
They look like you.
I didn't make welcome to the store, sir. It's a lovely apple. I'm using my perspicaciousness to try and pick up something nice about them. Should I give them a bit of a lift so that they're dancing through the aisles as they enter the store? They come in with a good vibration. They have the vibe of the next president. What's your name?
Vitalis.
Vitalis. That's a wonderful name. It literally means vitality and greatness. You're a 10. It's grabbing.
Oh, yes.
You knew that as well.
I did not. You got the engineer's warehouse, right?
I did. Vitalis, you've been wonderful, calm, and on the money, so we're going to get out of your way.
Wish I would have known you, man, because I see that you are somebody of importance.
Your vice manager, I think, is going to track me down and go rob me.
Nah, he's not, like I said, he's not security guy.
No, but I like his fierceness, though.
Yeah.
I like his dedication to the job. Keeping the jewel Moscow name pure.
Nah,
That's to be commended.
no, he's good.
Right.
Hey, what accent is that?
This is English, yes, London, bang on.
Yeah.
Receptive as well.
Price tag in 30 minutes.
I appreciate the talents.
Yeah.
And Jan Mulvey will be pleased as well.
I'm gonna look you up, man. Nah, yeah, go ahead and be all up there. Okay, thanks, man.
Never stop being a legend.
Are you big or am I small?
Well, that's all a matter of perspective when you're next to me.
When I'm next to you,
I seem tall,
you seem tall.
but to Paul, hi Paul, we both be small together. That's why I think it's better to focus on the qualities that can't be measured.
Like kindness, courage, and curiosity.
Patience, resilience, generosity. Inside every duck is more than the eye can see.
So if you look
So
up,
if I look big
I feel
and
small.
you feel small,
Well, that's all.
well, that's all a matter of perspective.
Are you big or am I small?
Well, that's all a matter of perspective when you're next to me.
When I'm next to you,
I seem tall,
you seem tall.
but to Paul, hi Paul, we both be small together. That's why I think it's better to focus on the qualities that
1730. The fastest way to burn fat and get shredded is not keto, it's not paleo, it's not carnivore, it's not vegan, and it's definitely not super intense exercises like this. Because listen, if you're trying to get in shape,
You feel me? Come on, run it up. Wait, babe. What you fucking want, babe? Wait, look. I bought you a fucking vape, innit? Oh, babe, I'm pregnant. Mate, just open it, you're scared. Actually, so
Can't do
giant.
that.
Big up JB Roofing, free up Carl, free up Tommy, do the fire shit, done nothing wrong. Why is there a fucking ring in my bag? What the fuck? Come on, just marry me, innit? I can't get married, I got my nail tech qualification. Fun that, babe, fun that. I made the bread, innit? You're unemployed, D. Allow it, bruv. I'm moving silence, fam. I'm moving in fucking silence, fam. So what, do you want to marry me or what? Whatever. Come on. Prick. Big up.
Otherwise, you can.
Yeah. This is it. Gotta take this.
Okay, let me share that Friday.
I can't believe that.
Otherwise, you can you. Okay, I will do one thing. This time will restore that and change that. Otherwise, we have one more term. You will right. You can restore that one as well. Yeah. Please.
Just do it. Just do it. Is what 121 again, so being pushed up. Yeah, lost about 400, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Because I lost about 400 betting for another 2,000 basically. So, I want to get back in, but there has to be a real little bit. It's not happens. Whoa, look at what just happened.
So it's kind of a trick. So it's not pants.
We're gonna protect most of it right now.
Yes.
That's it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yes. Good job.
Nice. So the I do not Right back. Back. Right back. Back. Okay, so I've left it a little late. I was setting up a Globex trap as well, which I want to incorporate into the strategy because it's different. It's different parameters to the orb, and I think I could simultaneously do both. But I'm a little bit distracted. I was on the phone as well, and I should have ordered. Okay, so I've left it a little late. I was setting up a. Alright, we're looking solid. This demand zone is gonna be the problem, but it looks like. Yeah, it looks like we might close just outside of it, and I will take it for sure. That'll be plenty outside of the range, and it will clear this low here. Alright, we're looking solid. I think we have a ways to travel. This is gonna be what? Let's guess. What? No, that's like 200. What? 300. Let's go. 330. The only issue is that my that's not quite ideal, is it? Alright, it's done. We had a good day today, surprisingly, shockingly good day today. And we've also now decided, and we've also now taken this longer term supply and demand trade. Hello, Baba. How are you? Walaikum, walaikum. Good, good. अभी सोने की तैयारी हो रही? अच्छा, अच्छा. अच्छा. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. Got very close to passing the evaluation today, but not quite. So hopefully in the next couple of days, let's see. Hanji. It was very close, and then a bit further, and yet so far, you know. Yes, yes. Or what's the update with the war like situation? Hmm. What did was there I don't know, pata nahi, they talked about some HQ that they blew up or something. So is Pakistan already, aaj maine nahi dekha, Pakistan has already responded? जी. अच्छा, अच्छा. Mm-hmm. No. No, I was watching. I was watching it. I understand that the justification is going after these terror groups, but even when America did so, they asked for permission from Musharraf. You have to have before breaking somebody's sovereignty, you have to get permission. If we weren't. But now it's Who knows, Baba? Who knows, Baba? This stuff is, it's above our pay grade. Lots of covert things are happening. Who knows what the actual truth is? But मेरा तो यही concern है कि आप लोग either निकल जाएं, escape, or peaceful कुछ हो. There's no victory in this kind of thing. No? It's childish to think, "Acha nahi, then now we will show them, and then they will learn this lesson or something." There's a billion people over there as well, also with all the same jizbatiness and all the same kind of vigor and passion and nationalism. The best answer for us is that ye now kuch, it doesn't escalate. हाँ बाबा हाँ नहीं कुछ हो नहीं सकता बाबा. How can you expect any kind of business activity with a major war about to kick off? No. I mean, you guys are very close to the border as well, and I would think if you asked me this like a month ago, I would think this kind of a all-out scenario is not possible in this day and age. कि इतना यही fighting होती है on the border होती है या इस तरह, But this is obviously crossing the line, and I know what kind of people in Pakistan. Everybody's gonna get very passionate about this, So which will ultimately end. You know my thoughts on even Israel, Palestine, and stuff. There's no point of playing this game. So No, for what? No. हाँ ये नंबर 1 अभी यही प्रायोरिटी है कि आप लोग पासपोर्ट रिन्यू कराएं मामा का और पता नहीं अब ये भी एक्सक्यूज बन जाएगा उनकी तरफ से जेरीज वगैरह जो भी हैं ड्यूरिंग दीज काइंड्स ऑफ सर्कमस्टांसेस तो और डिलेज वगैरह आएंगे आप अगर निकल सकते हैं बाबा तो निकले हाँ जी Baba, did you did you see? Did you click the link to verify the account yesterday? No, but you opened the email in front of me. आपने click नहीं किया था तब. हाँ वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. तो once the account is open, मुझे एक सेकंड मैंने ही आपको भेजा था, तो I can log in for you now. मैं अभी कर लेता हूँ. I know you're not very comfortable on this stuff. Applying from Pakistan. इनका भी हो सकता है ना, ये भी जो भी हैं. They can also say कि अभी we're not unstable conditions या जो भी, they can make plenty of excuses also with this. Apply for visa. And EFS global passport. किधर गया पेज? उनसे दोस्त अंकल से बात हुई? हाँ कर लेना बाबा. सीरियस हो जाए उनके साथ भी. अब अपनी तो आके कराए. हाँ but this is a kind of an emergency ना. आप देखते हैं वो पासपोर्ट तो एक है. वो airports, are the airports still closed? कल ही बंद किए थे ना वो, जब हो रहा था सारा.
अभी देखें आज ही बंद किए ना उन्होंने सारे पाकिस्तान के एयरपोर्ट्स.
अच्छा कल लाहौर का तो कर लिया था. कल
लाहौर का तो कल से है, आज बाकी भी कर दिए. सारी वो फ्लाइट्स वगैरह बंद कर दी.
हाँ तो that's another issue.
हाँ लेकिन वो खुल जाएंगे, 1-2 दिन में खुल जाएंगे. वो अच्छा नहीं है. They can't do it indefinitely ना, unless full-fledged war या violent war ना हो. चुनाव भी नहीं है तो anyway वो that's not an issue. इंशाल्लाह सुबह अप्लाई करना है, उसके पासपोर्ट के लिए करना है. वो भी that's about £107.
अब ये एक्टिवेशन लिंक आपको क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. प्लीज लॉग इन टू योर. आप ईमेल को देख ही रहे हैं ना अभी? खालिद कादिर.
मैं देख लेता हूँ. मैंने उसी को ना अपने इस पे भी कैस्केड वाले पे भी भेज दिया था. ये VDS अपॉइंटमेंट
अभी मैंने भेजा है आपको एक्टिवेशन ईमेल.
अभी पे भेजिए.
हाँ जी खालिद कादिर.
मैंने कैस्केड खोली थी, उस पर भी आ रहा था.
जी उस पर लिंक होएगा एक्टिवेट
अकाउंट का लिंक है। हाँ जी।
क्लिक किया
हाँ जी किया। एक्सेप्ट ओनली नेसेसरी कुकीज।
हाँ ठीक है नेसेसरी ठीक है
साइन इन।
अच्छा अब मैं करता हूँ साइन इन या आप ही कर लें इफ यू रेडी
एंटर योर ईमेल एंड पासवर्ड। वही करना है ना।
हाँ आई कैन डू इट फॉर यू इफ यू वांट लेकिन
खालिद कादर पे कर लो ना।
हाँ जी
ऐसा तो बेहतर है।
नहीं बाबा साइन इन बन गया हुआ है आपका खालिद कादिर ही है द it is khalidkadir@hotmail.com and then the password is 1 the number and then capital P passport exclamation mark जो भेजा था ना आपको कल
वो मोहम्मद वो जो आपने जो कल पासवर्ड भेजा था वो उसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप?
जी बाबा
इधर तो एक आया है ना सक्सीड का लिखा हुआ।
डोंट वरी बाबा मैं कर रहा हूँ ना करें साइन इन मैं कर रहा हूँ
मेरा खालिद कादर वाला तो खुल गया। पासवर्ड वाला ये था वही खान वाला था ना।
नहीं बाबा डोंट वरी मैं कर रहा हूँ मैं लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए इट मे बी इनएक्टिव ये क्या है यार फिर अभी तो हुआ है
ये मैंने जो दबाया था उस पे वेरीफाइंग आ रहा है।
क्या दबाया आपने बाबा
वही मैंने जो जहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली आ गया था ना खालिद कादर का ईमेल उसके साथ नीचे था कि वो सक्सीड वाला बटन था वो मैंने दबाया। अब आ रहा है एलिमिनेट द फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ कैप्चर्स विद अ सिंपल स्निपेट ऑफ फ्री कोड क्लाउडफेयर टर्नस्टाइल कंफर्म्स एंड।
हाँ क्लाउडफेयर को आपने क्लिक कर दिया पीछे जाएं बाबा पासवर्ड एंटर किया
नहीं पासवर्ड नहीं अभी एंटर किया खुद आगे चला गया था।
हाँ बस हाँ you need to go on where it says sign in या log in कहता है
साइन इन लिखा है खालिद कादर @hotmail आ गया। अब नीचे पासवर्ड फील्ड
हाँ
कैन नॉट बी लेफ्ट ब्लैंक।
हाँ जी तो पासवर्ड फील्ड के अंदर ना ये मैंने आपको कल जो भेजा था द नंबर 1
एक सेकंड सुना।
पासवर्ड
नंबर 1
हाँ जी एंड देन कैपिटल P
कैपिटल P
and then complete the word passport
पासपोर्ट
जी and then exclamation mark
एक्सक्लेमेशन नॉट क्वेश्चन एक्सक्लेमेशन। हाँ
जी
एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क की जरूरत है सुना।
नंबर 1 आप शिफ्ट को होल्ड करके नंबर 1 जी
सक्सेस आ गई जी। अब फिर नीचे आ गया साइन इन।
हाँ एक वेरीफाई बटन होगा वेरीफाई यू आर ह्यूमन
अब आ रहा है वेरीफाइंग ये ना। अब गुड आ गया सक्सेस आ गया लेकिन ये जो पासवर्ड है ना इसके ऊपर रेड स्टार आया हुआ है। क्या मतलब? नीचे सक्सेस आ गई।
नहीं बाबा so the verify captcha वो उसकी सक्सेस है नीचे साइन इन बटन होएगा ना साइन इन बटन को दबाएं हाँ जी
दबा दी। प्लीज चेक योर ईमेल आईडी एंड पासवर्ड if your account exists it may be inactive
हाँ
Click here, login message error वगैरह.
हाँ उसको क्लिक करें. क्लिक हियर.
Khalid@hotmail वो कहते जी पासवर्ड को सेव कर ले.
No, forget that. No, that's just for your convenience. That's nothing to do with this website.
Data transfer का वो कहते हैं इसको करे. I hereby consent. ठीक है जी.
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
By clicking here, I state that I have understood and agreed to the terms. और फिर आगे जी click here to log in. नहीं बेटा फिर वही गड़बड़ दोबारा से आगे से आएंगे. Enter your email and email हो गया. और ये पासवर्ड अब पासवर्ड एक बार फिर बताया ना बेटा.
हाँ ये शायद गलत हो गया. नहीं मेरे से भी नहीं हो रहा लॉगिन ना, इसलिए. ये तो आपने फिर रजिस्टर किया है, क्रिएट एन अकाउंट, एक और अकाउंट बन गया.
नहीं साइन इन आया हुआ है. Enter your email and password to continue. और जो स्टार है denotes mandatory fields.
हाँ एक
Please
सेकंड.
check your email ID and password, or if your account exists.
हाँ
It may be inactive. Click here, login message, error messages message 6.
एक सेकंड. फॉरगॉट पासवर्ड करते हैं. maybe I did it wrong. आपको अभी ईमेल भेजता हूँ मैं.
क्योंकि उस पे वो रेड स्टार ही आया हुआ है.
हाँ नहीं, the red star just means it's mandatory.
स्टार तो मैंडेटरी है.
जी
तो लेकिन ये तो खुद ही आया हुआ है पूरा साथ.
कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा, not khalid@hotmail.com is not registered with us. ये क्या मसला है? We're currently unable to process your request. Try again with the link below. Relog in to register. Fantastic.
हो सकता है टाइम बाहर हो गया हो. एंटर नहीं किया था.
Now I'm trying to do a reset password link. आपको भेजूं because maybe we have the password wrong. Verify you are human. Reset password. The entered email ID is not registered with us. Please check your email ID and try again. khalid@hotmail.com. ये तो definitely यही है. अच्छा, sign up करते हैं फिर से. अब sign up करूँगा तो क्या it already exists. Let's see. khalid@hotmail.com. Number 1, passport, exclamation. Number 1, passport, exclamation. Agree. Register. Your registration has been complete. We've sent the an email to your registered address to activate your account. अब देखें बाबा, ईमेल में देखें.
हाँ वेलकम आया जी. फिर another welcome is come.
हाँ करें क्लिक, इस पे एक्टिवेट अकाउंट का लिंक होएगा.
Activate account जी. जी ये पासवर्ड
ये एक्टिवेट हो गया?
ये मेरा वो आ गया है, उसमें अभी आया था कि साइन इन पे आया है, साइन इन पे ईमेल खालिद कादिर भर दिए।
नहीं बाबा,
Password
नहीं what I'm asking is you clicked the link that said activate my account.
हाँ जी, तो उस पे आया साइन इन आ गया।
अच्छा मैं करता हूँ साइन इन।
फिर ईमेल पे पासवर्ड का कंफ्यूजन है।
हाँ जी मैं करता हूँ ना साइन इन, आप रहने दो। This time definitely I'm right. I hope this doesn't mess up again. hotmail.com. Number 1 passport exclamation mark. Yes, हो गया। अब पाकिस्तान आपका नंबर डाल रहा हूँ इसमें, 00923084401987।
हाँ जी,
Contact number successfully updated. अब फिर लॉगिन।
क्या हो गया
फिर लॉगिन पे ले आए मुझे, अनबिलीवेबल। साइन इन, ये ओके। अब आ गए हैं स्टार्ट न्यू बुकिंग, एप्लीकेशन सेंटर, देयर इज ओनली 4 लाहौर।
अच्छा,
अपॉइंटमेंट कैटेगरी HMPO, टाइप ऑफ पासपोर्ट HMPO। यही है ना उनकी HMPO ही लिखा हुआ है ना पासपोर्ट पे।
यही होगा, पता नहीं। ले आऊं पासपोर्ट भी?
हाँ ले आए, कर लेते हैं बाबा।
हाँ